it's me, Brecky Breck, and I'm at my friend Lori's house. She invited me over because she's going to teach me how to make cookies with a couple friends. I'm so excited to learn. Come on in, let's go. This is my friend Lori. Hi. And this is Remi and Emma. Hi. I'm so excited to make cookies today. This is really exciting because this is Lori's secret cookie recipe. So we have all the ingredients pre-measured out, but I'm really excited to watch the process. Wow, did you see all that sugar? This is gonna be delicious. There's 1,000 roses. Wow, check it out. That cookie dough looks so delicious. Do you ever lick the cookie dough off the beer? It's super fun. You guys want to try it?
Chocolate treats and dancing to jingling beats in the middle of the kitchen. Driving through town and seeing all the houses decorated.
Wow, looks like you have to be super strong.
Can't be a Grinch or Ebenezer Scrooge.
So after we've rolled out the dough, we actually have to refrigerate it. How long do we refrigerate this dough for?
At least 2 hours and up to 2 days.
Wow, very cool. So at least 2 hours and up to 2 days. But she already made some earlier, so she's gonna pull it out and we're gonna cut up some cookies with that dough. Ooh, look at that. That's perfect. It looks like an ornament. All right, let's do another mitten here. Let's see. Look at this. It's like a little Santa mitten. That's super fun. Well, now that we have all the cookies cut, we're gonna put them in the oven. So how long do we put them in the oven?
9 to 11 minutes.
Okay.
On 375 degrees.
Ooh. Sometimes waiting for the cookies to bake is the hardest part. You have to have some patience, huh?
All right, our cookies are done.
Look at those, they look perfect. Well, now we're gonna make frosting for the cookies, and then she's gonna teach us how to ice them super beautifully. I cannot wait. Wow, look at that, it looks perfect. We're gonna add some color to it too. Look at all these beautiful colors. We have red, purple, and blue. Well, now that we have all the frosting colored and ready, she's gonna teach us how to decorate them.
All right, we outlined our cookie. Now I'm gonna come back in and flood the cookie. And this time we're gonna come in with green and we're just going to zigzag back and forth.
Right now, she's making a Christmas wreath. Isn't that cool?
And now we are going to take the scribe and we're just going to go through it
Ooh,
once
pretty.
or twice real quick, and that will make our wreath. And then we will go back in with the red and add our berries.
All right, should we try it out? Come on. I made a Christmas wreath. Check it out. This right here is called a dehydrator, and we put the cookies in there so it dries out the frosting so we can add another layer. So the candy canes were white when we put them in, but we're gonna pull them out and add a little bit of red soon.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to make another layer on top. And And you know how candy canes have stripes? We're just going to outline the stripe. And then we're going to come back like we did the cookie and we're going to fill that in and it'll give it dimension.
Ooh. Check it out! I made a candy cane! Do you see all these cookies? Lori makes these cookies for her friends for birthday parties and events that they put on. She is really talented and she's sharing her joy of cookie making. Isn't that so special? Alright, well, how are your guys' cookies?
They're really good.
Oh, delicious. Well, now that we're covered in icing and my mouth is a little green from my delicious treat, I can't wait to share all these Christmas cookies with my friends. Thank you so much, Lori, Emma, and Remi for doing this with me and creating these fabulous cookies. All right, well, now I'm going to take some of these to some of my friends. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Middle of the kitchen, driving through town.